Start it.
No, 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 no. Ah, shit. That's the whole fucking. That's gonna be all crazy. Give me a second.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm
Actually,
doing
that'll
this
work.
to you.
That'll work. I'm gonna link in my stream. Hold on. Because we're gonna go through setups on OBS, and that's easier if you just look at mine and
I understand completely.
copy it.
I'm confirming my YouTube thing right now.
Yep.
Congratulations, I'm verified. I agree. Porn. Oh wait, no, it says I can use porn.
Oh god, that's not gonna help.
All right, that's set up right now. I'm not offline, but that's okay. All right, you this. That's weird.
What, the Inception there? It's tripping
Hearing,
out.
yeah.
Um.
No, hearing my voice in the background is weird.
Oh yeah, just mute that shit. So once you get your YouTube account set, it should kind of take you to a dashboard, like something like this. They come up and I mean my delay is like 8 seconds, I think. So when I say something, it's gonna take a second. Or it's just not gonna work at all with the. Oh, there it is. And at the bottom of that page of the dashboard, you get your encoder setups. Let me know when you're all finished with the YouTubes.
Just hold on, give me a sec.
Yeah.
I'm trying to juggle things right now.
I'll get you set up on Twitch too, but I'm telling you, YouTube is definitely the better choice.
No, this is fine. This is fine. I'm just trying to.
And Twitch is better. It's kind of up and down. Twitch is better for getting your random views and possibly building up some things a little faster. But at the same time, that only works if you're like a sponsored kind of person.
Right.
I've actually gotten probably more randoms on my YouTube that just by keyword usage. Like yesterday, I had like 20 people on my stream just because I put Zol gameplay.
Oh, nice.
And people just search in Google at all, and that would come up as a video, and then it would just link to my live stream.
Right, makes sense.
Twitch, that doesn't work. You can't get that going.
All right, so we're gonna do YouTube.
YouTube.
All right.
So once you get, like I said, once you get your account done on YouTube, just pull up the dashboard where it says Stream Now, Beta, whatever. And
okay, so it's a stream now beta. Yep, and I've got the. Go ahead.
Go to the bottom of that page, and you'll see a little thing that says encoder setup. You'll see server URL and the stream name.
Stand by. Okay, encoder URL. Yeah, encoder setup, server URL, and stream name key. Yep.
All right, just keep that kind of up on the side. Now we're going to go through the settings of OBS, starting at general. We're just going to go from the top down to the bottom.
All right.
Let me know when it's caught up on my stream. Or I can just talk you through each fucking tab. But you're going to go open your settings in OBS, just the big settings bar.
Yep.
So general, there shouldn't really be anything. Nothing to change, really. Unless you want to change your notifications or whatever. Nothing really to change there. Encoding.
It's all fine.
You're going to have encoder times 264.
Okay.
Use CBR, check.
Yep.
Your max bitrate, I use 3500 because that's your maximum for our HD. I mean, you don't need any more than that. Less than that, you can end up dropping a little bit of HD. If you have 75 upload, that's going to be pushing like 5 megs out. It barely impacts anything. It's not a big deal at all. But I just set it 3500. It's perfect.
Sure.
Enable CBR padding checked. Don't use custom buffer size. Audio encoding. Oh shit. Oh no, that's fine. Audio encoding. I'm using AAC, 48 kilohertz.
Yep.
128 bit rate.
Yep.
and stereo.
Same.
All right, broadcast settings.
It.
Mode is in live stream.
Uh-huh.
Now, this is where if you wanted to just make recordings and stuff, actually, there's an easier way to do that. I'm not even gonna mess with that. Just mode live stream, the streaming service. Click that and go down to YouTube/YouTube Gaming.
Yep, got it.
And then FMS URL should be YouTube ingest server.
Wait. Yeah, okay, yes, it is. But it gave me a warning. It says your OBS settings are not optimized for use with YouTube.
Right. I mean, you couldn't technically just click optimize and hope that it's gonna set everything up right. Just hit optimize, and then we'll see what maybe is different that I have.
Where is the optimize button?
Should be at the bottom of that. You'll see a whole bunch of red stuff, and you'll see a little optimize it.
Okay, I hit optimize.
Awesome. Now back in still in broadcast settings, the play path stream key, if any. That's gonna be on your dashboard where it says stream name / key. Yeah, it's the one that's all like passworded out.
All right, I clicked reveal, and now I'm copying it, and I'm clicking hide, and then I'm pasting it. All right, that's in.
All right, and then you're gonna have auto reconnect turned on.
Yeah, it's auto reconnect timeout 10 seconds.
Yeah, that's all just standard in there. Now the file path, this is for if you want to have actually hard copies on your
my device on my computer. Yeah,
I have it automatically off, so it doesn't do that automatically. I have to actually make it save it there because for YouTube especially, it automatically saves everything.
I like that.
It uploads it all. You can download it eventually. Copyright can be an issue. Like that's the same with Twitch. I mean, it'll fucking not let you do shit if there's copyrighted material on it. You have to like mute it or whatever. Anyways. So, yeah, set your file path if you want to save videos. Otherwise, just leave that unchecked and don't worry about it. Now, going down to video.
Hold on. All right, cool. All right, go ahead. Going down to video. Come on.
Should have your video adapter set up, base resolution, whatever your setup is. I use 1920 1080.
Yep, that's what I have. Aspect ratio 16:9.
Yep, no downscaling. Oh shit, I'm at 30 frames a second? What?
Yeah, that's what I'm at too.
I've never made it. Actually, I'm just going to leave it there. It's never made a difference to me. It still looks fantastic.
Fair enough.
Yeah, see. Audio. That's. I got it on default.
So far, so good.
Force microphone is not checked.
Yeah,
Show
not checked.
only connected. Push to talk. Yep. Yeah, that's all. I have voice activate on, so I don't use push to talk or any of that. The next one, the hotkeys, all that. You might want to set a stream hotkey. I don't know. Like you can actually set it to turn on and off. There's a lot of hotkeys you can bind that, like the big people I know that stream, they set their mics and all their sounds on hotkeys so that they don't have to, alt tab out to mute their mic if they wanted to talk to something else or talk in game or whatever. But that's all shit you gotta set up on your own.
What's the difference between start recording and start stream?
Start recording records it to your hard drive. Start stream is where it, broadcasts. Recording would be just your local save.
I use OBS to record the replays from Heroes of the Storm.
Yeah. You can use OBS to record anything on your computer. Anything.
I've tried other things already. 2 other programs to try and record Heroes of the Storm while I was playing it. Playing the replays, excuse me. And it just shows a black screen.
That's weird.
So I'll try OBS. Hopefully it works.
Well, there's a trick to that. I'll go over that in a minute.
Somebody was saying I might have to stream it to record it. That's why.
It's not that. There's a different trick you gotta play with once in a while.
All right.
Depends on the game and the coding. All right. So hotkeys, advanced.
Advanced.
Now this should all be set up, I guess, based off of the auto set. But anyways, I got multi-threaded optimizations checked.
Checked.
Process priority normal.
Yep.
Scene buffering 700.
Yep.
Unchecked on disable.
Yep.
Checked on allow modifiers on hotkeys. Video is set to very fast.
Yes.
high profile.
Yep.
Keyframe is 1.
Mine's 4. What does that mean?
I can't remember.
Sure, it's not a problem. Let's keep going.
Uh,
Oh, 0 equals auto.
yeah,
Keyframe
but
interval.
trying to remember what the fuck 1 meant. But there was a reason
That's
I
right.
did that then.
We'll just keep going.
Anyways, use CFRs on, and then
Yep.
the other one's not, and then
Yep.
unchecked, unchecked, unchecked,
Every,
unchecked. Yeah, everything else is unchecked.
and then all the way down. The only thing other is. Oh wait, no, that's all. It doesn't
That's
matter
it.
anyways. All right,
Everything
yeah.
else is off. Yeah. Quick sync encoder, everything's off.
Yep.
Microphone noise gain. Now this is where you gotta play with your threshold for auto. Whatchamacallit. You want your close to be slightly lower than your open,
Yeah.
and the close should be slightly higher than your ambient noise.
I don't have it. I don't have an ambient noise one. It just says
Well,
uh,
if you do, if you're looking at it, you should see the little green bar.
no green bar.
No green. Oh, you're not streaming, are you? That's right. You'd have to hit
Apparently.
preview or something, I guess.
There's a defaults button.
There should be a little over the thresholds. There should be a preview button.
Oh, yeah. Shit. Fuck.
Yeah, turn that preview button on.
All right, turned it on, and now there's a green thing.
Yeah, the green thing should be right underneath of close. I'm at negative 40 decibels on close, and 34, negative 34 on open.
Really. Right, I'm at 32 on closed and 26 on open.
That's fine. I mean, as long as it's set to... I mean, you have to play around with that probably. Sometimes I've had issues with the noise gate, but I prefer
Right.
to not pick up on really anything unless I want to talk.
I understand completely.
All right, and then scene switcher, I don't use that. That's for like quick transitions and shit like that, where if somebody's getting really serious in the streaming and they want to have like TV style fucking graphics and shit like that switching around.
Gotcha.
That's for that. Other than that, that's all set. You should be able to just literally hit start streaming.
Oh,
But and before we do that, let's set up
Okay.
some other random scenes so you kind of learn how that shit works. So go
Okay.
to your go back to those two little boxes where it's
Yep.
scenes and sources. Right click on sources, hit add, and hit monitor capture.
All right.
This is actually kind of a hack for if shit's not letting you capture something.
Okay.
Try this. Monitor capture sometimes works. I mean, it's finicky. Sometimes it only works if it's full screen. Sometimes it only works like if the program is full screen, or sometimes it only works if it's fucking it's finicky. The monitor capture captures whatever you want on the monitor, every single thing, like what I'm doing right now. That's how I'm using it.
All right.
If you go to add and then hit game capture again.
All right. Hit add. And go game. Do I just want to use the hot thing that I just did?
Yeah, go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna explain some of this other stuff that's on here that you could run into issues with. So when you go to
Okay.
add game capture, there's a little box at the bottom that says these
Yeah.
applications require administrator access, blah blah blah.
Uh-huh.
If you ever run in a game or a program that you want to stream and it pops up in there, you just got to reset OBS and admin. That's it.
Okay.
Now, there's little check boxes inside there.
Yep.
Some games, especially new releases like alphas and fucking early access, they have some strange hooking shit on them where it won't let the game... It'll go black screen if you try and actually capture it. So they have these little anti-cheat compatibility and enable alpha blending. If you're ever running into an issue where it's showing a black screen or just not grabbing it, check each one individually and then check each one both times, and then you just kind of fuck
try it
around
out.
with those. Yeah. Just some games require doing that. I mean, that might be an issue that you run into HOTS. If neither of those work to get the stream, that's when I go to the monitor capture, and that usually works. There's only been, I think there's one alpha game that I was playing that it was locked down. There was no way to stream it.
That sucks.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was just like, fuck it. I think that was Rainbow Six, actually, when they first had that alpha. I got banned from streaming Rainbow Six on Twitch, actually.
Oh, wow.
I got a one-day ban. Fucking devs popped up on my stream and were like, fuck you, man, you didn't read our non-disclosure. I was like, what? I'm sorry. Alright, anyways, yeah, that's, you
That's
should be
funny.
able to just hit stream. Now, back on the YouTube Live dashboard,
Okay, back on the YouTube dashboard. Check.
Yeah, if you go all the way to the bottom of that thing where you have the encoder set up,
Yep.
on the right side, you should see a share kind of section. And it'll have a little link to and a drop down. It says YouTube or YouTube Gaming.
It says share, and then it says youtube.com user backslash that thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Link me that.
Okay.
That's your actual stream page. Kind of like what
That's
I linked
cool.
you. Essentially what, Twitch uses. That's
Right.
And open that up. It actually looks it's a cool little
Currently, I'm offline.
Actually, no, that's not the one I wanted. No. I want drop that down. Put that drop down again and hit YouTube Gaming. Link to YouTube Gaming. I want you to see that version.
What link to YouTube?
If you go to share,
Yeah.
it'll say YouTube or YouTube Gaming. There should be a drop
share
down.
is just a red thing. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. But share
No,
is
it's a red share, and then it'll say link to, and then there's
there's
YouTube,
no link.
and YouTube.
No
There's
link
no
to.
really.
Just a link box.
Oh, maybe you have to set up the YouTube Gaming section.
Add stream info. Set up encoding software. Optional.
That's weird. So you don't have. Hold on, let me shut this up on mine.
Stream options.
It's on the wrong monitor. That's also on the wrong monitor. What the fuck? Whatever. Here, we'll do this. I'll go over some other shit with you in a second. So, yeah, at the bottom of mine, I have this section here. I don't know if you need to, like, set up. Let me Google. I don't see it there. I just automatically have it.
All right.
there.
Will you do me a favor?
Yeah.
You just, I had your thing off to the side. Do you, as I say, if you have, can you go back to your YouTube thing?
Yeah, I'm on it
Show
right
me. Very small in the upper right hand corner, and everything else is black. All right, and then can you go down to the? Yeah, right down there. There's watch on. I don't have that. There's nothing there.
That's weird.
You have share, and then underneath it you have two options, and then the link. And I just have share and then the link.
Hold on, let me try mixing yours. Well, that's the link to yours right there. It works. I mean, you actually have that channel. It's just it's not giving you the link, which is weird. Yeah, here's your actual YouTube gaming link.
Wait, how do you know my YouTube gaming link?
I just took mine and put your name in there instead. Where it says user. Here's CPLM cross.
Yeah, that's the same link as the one I just sent you.
No, the one you sent me is just YouTube. It doesn't have the gaming in front of it, and you can see the difference in the channels. One of them's a regular YouTube channel, and one of them you'll stream live to both. I mean, both of them will work when you're streaming, but one of them is a completely different like overlay and interaction and everything. It looks a little nicer, I think.
Gotcha.
That's I would link the one that says gaming to people because it's cooler.
Yeah, I'm gonna. All right. Okay. So now, how do I start this up?
Literally, just hit start streaming.
On OBS?
Yep, on our OBS. Hit start streaming. If everything's set up right, you'll see the little bottom right of that goes green.
Yeah.
And
And now it still says I'm offline though on the.
It takes about 8 seconds. It's got about an 8 to 10 second delay automatically. Now, if you want to set up like a long delay so people don't stream snipe you, you would just go to settings, and it's in the where is it?
People stream snipe you?
Yeah.
You stream what you're streaming?
Oh yeah.
So this
Well,
way
no, they watch what if they're in your game. They'll watch your stream to know where you are and what you're doing. Like when we're playing scrims and shit, I put a big delay on there just in case somebody was on their team watching our game. But in your broadcast settings on the OBS, you can actually set a delay Anytime I'm afraid of stream sniping, I'll just put it to like 300 seconds. It just adds like 4
Yeah.
minutes.
It had a little bit of a delay. It's already, so I think it'll be all right.
Yeah, you're up and streaming now. I'm looking at it. All good to
That's
go.
pretty cool. Oh, that's so cool. All right. All right. So now if I want, I'm gonna close your tab real quick.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna close this, minimize this. Now, if I want to maximize this, I'm going to try. Ooh, these settings though. Jesus. Auto 240. Let's get this pumped up to 8.
Oh, on your YouTube? Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's way better. Yeah.
I would just go to
Speed normal.
source, or if it allowed. No, it doesn't allow it. Get a 1080, man.
Yeah, just put it up to 1080. All right.
Now,
So
sometimes
now
it takes a second to buffer, but it's a lot better than fucking Twitch. I'll tell you that. Oh my god.
I just increased the speed and it just fucked things up.
What speed?
Under settings, under HD settings.
Oh, because it's got a DVR. As you're streaming and recording, like if you go to your video, you can actually go backwards and replay shit.
Did not know. All right, so if I put it up to normal, then it's fine. Okay.
Yeah. So that's your watching. That's only watching. That has nothing to do with what people are seeing. That's what you're doing local. But yeah, you can if you wanted to fucking make a highlight or something like that while you're streaming, you can go to your dashboard. And you
Hold on. I'm getting a little bit of weirdness going on with this thing right now.
Okay.
Why is it still? It's going back in time right now as opposed to forward in time. Oh wait, there's two different things happening. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I'm caught in a loop of time. I don't know what's going on.
You're just fucking with the videos or your playback settings on the channel. It's
I know.
That's you
But
locally.
Do you see how like the quality goes down? See how it's all gray and stuff? Like, that's better. Can't tell what's actually the quality and what's the image of the former quality. I just need to stop screwing with shit for a second and just let it all catch up. Terrible.
Oh man, yeah, you're messing with something that makes no difference though. That's just how you see things. That's not how other people see things.
Okay. Well, I want to see things normally, so I'm waiting for it to catch up. I think.
Oh, to catch up, if you want to hit live, like if you went back in time accidentally, there's a little button that says live.
Oh, perfect. It's still showing the image of me, like it's looping right now.
Yeah, because you were looping, watching your loop. It'll
this
catch
is
up.
crazy.
It catches up.
Crazy. If I hit the pause button on this,
you're streaming yourself, streaming yourself.
This is so weird. I'm caught in a time loop. All right.
So what else was
I'm gonna go into the game and I'm gonna try and get the replay to work. I should already have it in position. So let me know if you see Heroes of the Storm images pop up or a black screen.
turn off your monitor capture and just go game capture. Because there's also a big difference between your usage. If you're using game capture, it's going to use your GPU. If you're using monitor capture, it uses your CPU.
I think I'm still under game capture.
No, you're not. You're on monitor.
All right, so let me stop streaming.
No, you don't have to stop. You can do it while you're streaming. You just
how
hit
do
those check boxes. You see those little
they're
check
both
boxes?
checked.
To
They're both checked.
uncheck the monitor.
Okay.
And just check. Oh, you did stop streaming.
I did. I had already done it. I just unchecked and I just hit the check button on HOTS. I called it HOTS.
Yep.
And I had started streaming again.
No, sometimes you have to actually go back into the game for it to capture the window. Sometimes it doesn't.
So
it shouldn't have to.
I'm loading back up into the game.
All right.
In a couple of minutes, let me know, or a couple seconds, or whatever. You can see just a still screen. Anything?
No.
Black?
Yeah.
All right.
What are your game capture properties set to? Oh, no, now you got it. It's up.
No, oh, you had it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just took a minute.
All right, it's going to go back and forth again in a minute. Now, is this going to record?
Yeah, it records everything that you stream to YouTube is automatically saved. And upload it
All right.
as a YouTube video. Actually, if you don't want people to see it, you gotta mark it as private. Otherwise,
there
it's on. Well, there might be a setting to put it so it puts it in your private cache. It probably is a setting.
Is there a way to edit it after I'm done? Because I'm
Oh
gonna
yeah,
want to get rid of
there's
all this other crap.
if you go to YouTube and your video manager. Actually, no, not even video manager. Oh, you can do it there. But to actually like edit time and everything, you go to create in your dashboard and your video manager, or whatever, on YouTube, and there's a video editor, and you can just edit it right there. Now, if you have a local video editor on your computer,
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's back up a second. Under Video Manager, go to Video.
not on Video Manager. I was mistaken. So you would go to the same.
Oh, just create.
Yeah,
Okay.
create and then video editor.
Oh, and this will allow me to edit videos that are already up there.
Yep. Anything that's uploaded on YouTube. You can mix
that's
and
so
match. You can timestamp things. You can add your cards. You can do anything you want in there.
Do I need to be under my channel and like watching my stuff while it's going? Do I need to have this up in the background in order for it to stream, or is it automatically streaming?
You're still streaming HOTS as long as you have game capture set, and there's a couple other things. If you have it in full screen, if you tab out, it's gonna pause the gameplay. If you have it in full screen windowed, it's gonna continue streaming regardless whether you're in that tab or not.
Fun.
Well, actually, it's just gonna capture whatever's moving on the game. I mean, it's how it does it. So yeah, right now you're set up. It's just captured a pause screen,
Right. All right.
and it's not capturing anything else you're doing on the computer because you're just using game capture.
That's pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to go back into the game, and I'm going to, because I want to edit this. So I have a lot of video I have to get rid of, but I'm just going to try and watch this replay here.
Yeah. I mean, if you really, yeah, it's a lot easier to edit the replays from YouTube than it is to edit the replays from HOTS. But I'm sure you already know that.
You can't edit. I think you can't edit the replay from HOTS because it's not on the computer. I tried getting editing software to edit on the computer and stuff. It won't let you work with it.
It is.
All right, well, I just don't know how to get it on there.
I don't remember where it saves it though. I don't want to get it.
That just got captured.
That's fine. Now, another thing that you might want to finagle with is just playing around with your voice, your microphone. Like, you see the on OBS, there's...
Real quick, if I hit stop streaming, will that stop the video that's going to YouTube?
Yeah.
All right, stopping streaming. Okay.
But you see the little microphone and the speaker above above streaming?
Yes.
Just next time you're sitting alone in a channel or even with other people, just sit there and listen to your stream and see how loud your voice is and see how loud the game and other music and stuff is on the stream.
All right.
Just so you can get that set up right. Otherwise, people are just going to mute your stream.
Like right now, does it sound like it's too much? Like
I wasn't even listening. I'm sorry. I have YouTube automatically muted. Yeah. Mute your stream.
Oh, like right now, does it sound like it's too much? Like I'm talking too loud.
Actually,
I hear
what
you're saying though.
I'm sorry.
That's well, all right.
I have YouTube automatically muted.
Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, I had it muted before. I hear what you're saying.
Sounds. You might want to turn down your speakers a little bit and turn up, or just leave your microphone set and turn down your speaker. That's what I have. My microphone was a little less loud than my output audio, so I just turned down the output audio a little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, I have my microphone's kind of close to my speakers. I'm turning my speakers away, and I just lowered the volume a little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah, you don't want to hit that feedback. Well, you're not streaming anymore. I don't know.
Oh, that's well, I started streaming again, but that's okay. But it's probably not capturing it because I'm not in game.
No, it'll capture as long as you have stream. It'll at least get the voice capture or whatever. It'll just black screen it and then capture whatever else is going on your computer.
Stop in that stream. No, go back. I don't want to be on somebody else's page. Home.
That's not what.
Try and get this. Trending subscriptions. Upload. Where is? My channel. Okay, start off with my channel. Video manager. All right, I'm starting to get the hang of this. Photothermic live stream edit.
Now, real quick though, if you wanted to set up your Twitch, it's almost exactly the same process. You really wouldn't have to change anything.
Wait a minute. It doesn't show. Before we talk about Twitch, I'm not worried about Twitch right now. I'm gonna stick with YouTube, so I can just learn this for now.
Yeah.
But it doesn't show anything I just streamed on YouTube.
It will.
How long will it take?
Not usually very long. It usually shows that there has been a video been streaming. Well, let me go to your channel. Yeah, it does. Oh wait, no, it says live. Yeah. It takes just a couple minutes.
Oh, processing archive. Please check back later. All right, so after that's
you can
it's
edit
showing that
there
underneath the archive, but it's not showing that underneath the create the video.
Yeah, because it takes a minute to do that.
Gotcha.
It's YouTube.
Right.
It just uploads. But if you're streaming and you're like, man, that was awesome, I want to record that. Instead of turning off your stream and waiting for it to upload and doing all that shit, you would just go to your dashboard, your live streaming dashboard.
Under what program?
On YouTube. Actually, on YouTube's website, the live streaming where you had all the information about the encoder and all that.
Yeah.
Underneath your video, your little sample video, there's a button that says Create Highlight. So instead of turning off your stream, you just hit that button, and then you can.
Why is Create Highlight? Oh, it's grayed out right now because I'm not streaming it.
Yeah, you're not streaming right now. But once you hit that button, it'll let you just hit a start, like find a start spot, and you just time it, and there's a button that you hit Get Player Time, and then for starting, and then Get Player Time for ending. So you can just watch where you wanted it, and then upload it right then and there, and then keep playing. Cool. It's really awesome. This blows the fucking Twitch features out of the water. I mean, it really does. Plus the even the descriptions and stuff like that for Twitch. If you wanted to upload or change your title of your stream, you have to go through like 5 different steps. On this one, you just enter in that little bar where it says what the title is, type whatever you want in there, and then it has like a 2-second delay. If something's been changed in there, it automatically saves it and uploads it to what the fucking YouTube channel is. It's fantastic. Fan-fucking-tastic.
So my thing says photothermic live stream. If I wanted to change that, just change that name right there.
The name?
Add the basic info. Will that change what people read when they do? Like if I said basic info, it says photothermic live stream. If I change it to something else, will other people see that it says?
Yeah, mine says Serpent King's old gameplay.
All right, I gotcha.
And that's what it puts as my stream, I think, doesn't it?
Hold on. Let me pull up your stream. Dual King, Serpent King's dual gameplay.
Yeah, puts it as my stream, I think, doesn't it? And then you get the little description in there. Essentially, you just gotta treat it as if you're making a video every time you hit stream. Because when you stop streaming, it will save that stream, the entire stream, as whatever your title is. So sometimes it gets, like, if you're trying to go back into videos, it can get a little confusing as to which one it was. You have to remember how long you were streaming for, when it was. I do recommend occasionally turning off your stream, like, between games. If you had a really good game, like, turn off your stream for about 30 seconds and turn it back on. That way you don't have to search through fucking hours and hours of fucking footage to find the good, the highlight you want.
Right.
Or just remember to create the highlight right then and there.
Waiting to see.
Actually, I have a video I'm supposed to make of Joanna's ultimate being used. Got like 10 different times in one game where I got to use her stun ult.
Nice.